What's going on, guys? I just found out about this product. It's called Techron. Apparently it's supposed to revive your fuel system, and it's a fuel system cleaner. So let's add it to the 100,000 mile Mustang GT that's about a decade old and see if it makes a difference. So looking at the directions of this, you have to make sure your car is almost fully empty, and then you pour this in, and then you refill up at the gas station with 12 gallons of gas. Now, Techron claims that this is going to improve my fuel economy, restore lost engine power, reduce rough idle, which the Mustang does have kind of rough idle, and protect against corrosion, all which is really good stuff that you need with a car with over 100,000 miles. And as you can see right now, we have, oh, I can't even see anything. As you can see right now, we are at 26 miles till empty. And trust me, in the Mustang, I can make that go down to 0 real quick. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is change this from City to Sport Plus. Miles to empty, say goodbye. Actually, never mind, I forgot I live in New York. This is like the first time ever I've actually gotten better MPGs when I didn't want to in my Mustang. I know what I gotta do. Yo, I swear I am not joking. It's been like 5 minutes and this thing is only going down by like 30. Yo, I swear I'm not trolling. This thing is not going down at all. It's been like 10 minutes and it went down by like 6. On a regular day, thing be going down by like 20. Be going down like water. Thing be going down like the NASDAQ. Today it want to move slow. I guarantee if I turn the car off, turn it back on, I lose like 10 MPGs. It's not actually a bad idea. All right, somehow it's been like 10 minutes, we still on 20, so I'm gonna just turn the car off. Try to turn it back on. Let's see what's gonna happen. Nothing. All right, I have done my best. I got it down to 18 miles till empty. I'm going with that. All right, so we're gonna go to a gas station now. We're gonna fill up with at least 12, which I feel like we should be able to get at least 12, 11. Doesn't have to be exact. And we're gonna put it in the Techron. All right, we have made it to Sunoco, land of the gasolina. All right, we are finishing this journey on 17 miles till empty. All right, now we're just gonna pour everything inside of this gas tank like this. Here, going inside. I feel like that's about it. There's some more left over. Now we just fill up as usual. Y'all trying to get my credit card information, ain't you? And I will put better gasoline into the pump just to see what it's going to be like in terms of the results. So we're filling up with 90. So we did hit the 12-gallon mark, which is good, but we also hit the $50 mark, which is bad. You don't want that. You don't want that. Gas on the paint. Gas on the paint. All right, let's see if it's gonna work. Ultimately, I have no clue what this is gonna do within 5 seconds of me putting it in the car. So I'll check back in with you guys in like a week, maybe a month. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm not gonna lie, it's been like 10 minutes after I put this thing in my car. I did notice that the idle is a little calmer. I'm not gonna lie, like being that it's a Mustang, you could definitely hear every nook and cranny and everything going on with the car, but I feel like the idle definitely is subdued a little bit. It used to have this like rough kind of like every 5 seconds, like you know that car where it's just like you're chilling, and then it's out of nowhere, like metal would be rattling. But I feel like it calmed it down just a tad bit. So I would give this product a thumbs up. Every time you fill up, you should probably put it in your car. All right, y'all, it's been like a calm 10-15 minutes after I added the additive, I don't know how long this thing is gonna last, but it is worth it. I'm telling you, if your car got a rough idle, or even if you want to just try it, it's worth a try. I'm not lying to you. This is not a sponsor video. This is not anything like that. Like, I've never seen a product do more for my Mustang than this product. Like, it's real. I'm telling you, try it out, buy it, let me know. For those of you who have tried it, let me know in the comments down below. It's good, it's valid. I'm telling you. AR out.